Hello everyone, my name is Dylan from Ducktape HQ. The only reason that I'm really uploading this video is to try to keep my channel active. But I'm also going to show you a cool calculator trick that you can do with TI-83s and up. The first calculator trick that I'm going to teach you how to do is how to spoof your friends into getting every single answer that they type into their calculator wrong. This is a simple, only 3-line calculator program, and it will take a couple minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. If you've never done this before, I'll take a little bit of time on the beginning parts, but I'm not going to take as much time as I would putting in the program. The first thing you want to do is you're going to want to turn on your calculator and make a new program. Hit the PRGM button to go ahead and create a new program. Scroll over to New and hit Create New. That should be pretty simple. Then you want to just type in some random crap. You don't really have to call it anything special, especially something that probably wouldn't relate to the title, so then when your friends look on their calculator, they don't see the program that you made. Hit enter. Once you've hit enter, you're going to want to go ahead and you're going to want to hit that program button once more time. You're going to go scroll over to the I/O by pressing the right arrow, and you're going to hit the first option, input. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to hit second, which is the blue button, and then the green button, which turns you into what's called alpha lock, meaning that everything that you type is going to be the green keys. Okay, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit that plus sign twice. This will give you 2 quotation marks. 1, 2. Okay, next thing you want to do is click out of alpha. So, just hit the green button. Once you've done that, go ahead and click the comma button. Then click this thing. This X, theta, X, T, theta, N. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click enter. There's our first line. Yes, it is pretty simple. The next thing we want to do is we want to go over to I/O one more time. Scroll over and hit the third option, DISP. 1, 2. Enter. Then what you're going to want to do, and this might take a little bit more of thinking, is you're going to want to go over and click the math button, which is below the alpha button. Up here, you can scroll over to the very far right, which is PRB, and you're going to want to scroll down to random integer, which is right there. Hit enter. This is where you're going to define a range of numbers that the answer to the equation is going to be. So, I'm going to put in 1, 500. Just like that. I know this is horrible quality, but if you can see, that's really what you need to do. 1, 500. You can close off the parentheses if you like, but you can just go ahead and hit enter too. There, we're completely done with the program. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and make it so that when you're finished with that, you don't have to start the program up again for them to get an answer wrong. We want it to go in a continuous loop. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click this program button once more time. One more time. Go over to EXEC, which stands for execute if you didn't know, and select the program that you just made. You can check the program name up top if you just hit a bunch of random letters and you don't remember. Then you're going to want to do is hit second on, which will turn it off. It already saved, it's automatic. So then hit on again. We're going to want to go over to program, scroll down to the one on the EXEC menu. Mine's called QP, and hit enter. Hit enter again, and then hit clear. Your calculator has been successfully spoofed. 5 plus 5 equals 63. Completely wrong. It's better for your friends that write out long equations, and that will definitely spoof them up because they'll be like, whoa, okay, because they can't really check. So, one more thing that you can take this to is you can go ahead and you can type. One more thing that you need to know, not take this to. I mean, we could take this to so many different levels. We could set it to a different range for different numbers, decimals, all that. But I think the most important part is how to turn it off, unfortunately. The easiest way to do it would just be to hit second on. But if you want to screw with your friends, just hit second mode, and that'll turn it off. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Once you hit second mode, it'll go back to everything, and it'll still save all of these other ones up here. It won't even show that it was finished with the program. So that's a very nice little small trick for you guys to use. Peace out.